contact keyboard. And now it's time for my lovely keyboard. Oh, I can't wait to open it. Oh, it comes with an adapter LED 6A. Oh, wow! It is a charger. And these are some instructions. Oh, wow! Oh, wow! It is so shiny! Oh, wow! And from here, it gives us some little bit sound. Oh, wow! It is so nice. Now it's time to play this. In order to play this, we need to connect the adapter over here. And now adapter is connected. For turn it on, you should press this button. Oh, wow! It is so slow. The volume is slow. So we need to make its volume fast. let's press this button. Wait. And see what this thing works. Today is my lucky day that I got this wonderful gift. I will learn some new tunes and play for you. Bye-bye. Like, share and don't